These are the elevators here at the Executive Tower at the Crowne Plaza Hotel in Foster City, California. These are going to be my very first US Fujitec elevators. Oh my god, look at this. Wow. Oh my god. Fast. These are really cool. I wish this stupid plastic wasn't here. Look at that stop switch. Wow, these are fast. Switch down here? Sure, I don't know what's down here. Oh, I thought that was also plastic. External indicators. These buttons are very satisfying. Oh yeah. These are awesome.
These things are crazy.
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
We can end it down here.
Down here?
Yeah. Very cool. That'll be it.